Hello, my name is Cody. I'm a licensed home inspector in Oregon and Washington with nonprofit home inspections. Today I'm delighted to talk to you about a new service that we're bringing to the Portland, Oregon and Vancouver, Washington service areas. You may not think of pools when you think about the Pacific Northwest, but we have a surprising number of homes with pools in our area. Pools are often a forgotten and neglected component of a home, and they're often in need of service and repair. Because we are the highest rated and one of the largest home inspection organizations in Oregon and Southwest Washington, we are uniquely positioned to bring pool inspections to our clients. So what is a pool inspection? Our pool inspection consists of a thorough visual examination of the 5 major systems of a pool. We inspect the pool vessel and surface, pool plumbing, pool electrical, pool heating, and the pool barrier system. This is not a quick glance like you might get with some home inspections. This is a thorough examination that allows us to generate a detailed inspection report that we deliver to you the night of the inspection. So if you're thinking of buying a home with a pool, have us inspect it for you. Pool repairs can be costly, so it's in your best interest to know the condition of the pool before you buy the home. We make it easy to schedule a pool inspection. Just go on our website or give us a call.